Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Robinhood, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your debit card from your bank into Robinhood so you can buy stocks with it? So let's go ahead and talk about it. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your bank debit card to Robinhood anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're buying and selling stocks with Robinhood, you know that you can use your debit card to fund those purchases. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Robinhood dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Robinhood, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your debit card, here on the top right, you're going to click on Account. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Transfers. It looks like a bank logo. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this screen, but you want to scroll down until you see the section called Linked Accounts. You can see I have my checking account linked to my Robinhood. However, to connect your debit card, you're going to click on the green Add New Account. Okay, once you do that, you'll see this pop up, and you're going to have two options, debit card or bank account. So if you're going to link your debit card, you can see there's a maximum $10,000 daily deposit limit. If you're going to link your bank account, the limit is much higher. But if you're sure you want to link your debit card to Robinhood, click here on debit card. Okay, once you do that, this box opens up. So you want to go ahead and enter in your 16-digit debit card number, expiration date, and 3-digit security code. Once you're done, click on the continue button. Okay, once you enter in your debit card information, Robinhood's going to let you know they're going to verify the debit card by charging $1.95. It's a temporary charge. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Okay, next this pops up. It lets me know they charged my debit card $1.95. And next to that charge on the pending transaction, there's going to be a 6-digit code. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my app on my phone and find that code. Okay, I did find the code on the pending transaction in my bank, so I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so now I can go ahead and enter in the 6-digit code here and then click on okay, quick second later, after entering in the code, I get this pop-up. My debit card is now linked to my Robinhood, so I can now make instant transfers using my debit. So I'm going to click on done. All right, now if we look down here, you can see my checking account and my debit card is now connected to my Robinhood. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect your debit card to your Robinhood, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.